Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Tumugireria ni Jumatatu yitukuria gatatu mutienyo gatano na gatatu mwako yegachubire mirongo ibere ni tano nomo senchende ya bene egetone yechinsa ikobi kuri giteseri kyao kya bene y'Ensoko TV kyakishiri ko kwarigania tunyora mangana mayo margobo ne kwene senchira ayoko yachutia oligo nkonya na inche hasenchereria aya ichishara gusemanyererio ngamanyekeno asarome kerubo na inche kwa Daniel omwaga hayari mutwe na nakuganirie senchira yobwenye. To chake mwanchumwiria senchira ya bene gwetane basa chime isano kurwa sensemo oyebungeria omachoge barabu nigo bagendrete nege karokya basa kimanyikeine buna youth convention ekyo gekoragwa hamo na mashirika ao muruberio yo nigo ogendrete gokorekana imejegeti geskuru ya secondary ya Sengera SDA imehie ward ya Magenche nigo horachi koira senigo horachi kora unabarai ao abarachi kwikirana na kowerera basa abo anene chinchira chiri banyare komenya na kwegendereria gima asebone gaba bona bagunesina na kwenyorera mabaga yo kwegenera ke masomo ane asechinse chiria acheisco.
This is Clinton Onyachamboi, the president of Kisii County Youth Assembly, a team that is founded of 9 constituencies, 45 wards across Kisii County. Yes, we are gathered here today in Bomachoge Borabu chapter to ensure that we bring unity amongst ourselves as Bomachoge Borabu, so that we ensure that we build connections, networking, and ensure that as we move forward, we have good leadership amongst our Kisii County and at large in our nation. Therefore, we call upon all youths from all other constituencies. Today we are here at Bomachoge Borabu chapter, this 3rd of August, and on 4th of August we'll be in Bomachoge Church chapter, and more so on the 25th of August we'll be in Kisii County, a mega event whereby we are targeting to bring across 10,000 youths among all the 9 constituencies of Kisii County to ensure that we build connection, we build a structure that ensures that there is information from the grassroots towards the county level. Therefore, abasai baito ba Bomachoge Borabu toko barangiria mubwensi to chamo to sange erinde kertoko nyara korosio borai wetu we county eito ya Kisii County, using Kisii County Youth Assembly as a connection, or rather as a bridge to gap between the government and abasai baito ba we county eito ya Kisii, to ensure that Kisii County Youth Assembly brings all that cohorts, all core values, integrity, unity and prosperity ito ya Kisii County ekoretwa mona oborai bwitamo obotoratware structure ngiya ya Kisii County Youth Assembly.
Tiganayo nigo bono habari bege siasa babori ugwe gwetanga koreta kibura buru asemeyaga ya matanga okwe nokubolya kwa rwerwe no yokurige kerego kiria kyo gabana imeye county area ya Nyamira engineer James Kemoni okwana nabararia imeye mu Nairobi Kemoni nigo bono hamochirio mugabana habwe county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo asobokorerio bobe bore sector yobo chendu imeye county eyo nigatebuna Nyagitari chechi county nigo chiwendete gotwara obokoreri borobuya ase habari ibo igo babwendete konyoro bobwenya abwe Nyagitari imeyechinsi imeyose imeyense imeye county ya Nyamira batari kogenda asinyagitari chinene imeyense
inje ina James Kemoni nimbe kana twali bose no borwire bondo bonsi de inje na ikoro na rona ki ninje ngurwali bundoro no munyamira talina naenda guchikurwali wese county ende Kisumu Nairobi yere ntote gitumura ibono jara Nyamira abo muntu kulie genda nto bito bakuri nyo kwa barugiro bokumo batoto naye kali bokumo bo batoto yo kwa barugiro bokumo buya naye kali bokumo buya na torabe ikuo tosikeine toko korama gendro igintu kireke bepi mwanya gitinge toimuka bona iga no muntu uko rwesokoru wajo mukutano ya abantu wakamatanga ime kwabika abantu abarai abana baito baragiritia maru kwabate baruta abantu banda amatusi inde biri bwende kwenda mwanya gitinge na bona bire umuntu bwegenete no nkubure chikura takona kuimukia bakora gutara na gukora abantu bandu bose cyane bitu gozaba no kwanira abaisi aba MC bandu bosabara ibichi kanisa raba bali n'abantu amabaga gukwana isime kutanere indere kogere kolenta fujo. If you sincerely believe that you are a leader and you are capable of winning an election through a fair and transparent way, elections, just conduct yourself maturely, respectively, without kuambia vijana wetu tupa mawe tupa maneno kwa mikutano. Eka rumo ntakwiriru ero bobe sana inayo tokwiriru tomaityo enjira abantu baigwete litukerio nayo rogo tianto wande na rama nyalebe uyo takwana utakoraki ganyukweru nayo mara ko lebinde ibuo mwana minto bose ba minto ali mo karai chikura chiri njiri gocha igo ngakiye kero moto tigeske nyolenge mon tigeske nyolo ne gavana ro tigeske nyolo lyo kubole ubo gavana tigeske amanye no borai bwa Nyamira abantu bobwate chikura naba abaki chikura bwa Nyamira 20,323 na wao chiko choro nyokuwe ngite ngubure chikura pucho teli otoira ande no mwanya
na tugusika muntu mwanche mwiria bono nigeriombe bitinle n'abakora emirimo ase sectoria ayo obochenu ime eyense ya Kenya senchira ya bene bono bamochire chigabana ase ogosinywa gwikirania obochenu ase chinyagitari chechi county ime eyense ya Kenya yagati abarebe byembebo batyo Peterson Washira omurayo clinical officers George Gibore omurike mone okuso amona abarai bande nigo batebire omugiro bw'abakora emirimo oyo nigo genderete gwikesere kali yekiraniria magani yabo.
As is evident, are not listening, do not want to listen, and they simply do not care about the citizenry. As we stand here, hospitals are closed across the country, if you have gone round. It's only the doctors who are not on strike. The nurses, the clinical officers, laboratory officers, public health officers are all on strike. And facilities are not working. But yet the governors do not see any problem with it. And that is why we are saying it is a case of negligence, and it's negligence because they have been given a mandate by Kenyans.
Na tumesema hivi, lazima watekeleze yale ambayo wanatakiwa kutekeleza, kwa mfano kuajiri wahudumu wa afya. Kuna hospitali zimejengwa na ziko tu mijengo na zina wahudumu wa afya. Lakini ukiangalia katika budget ambazo zimepita, wamekuwa wakiweka hela kwa ajili ya kuajiri wahudumu wa afya. Hizi pesa zinaenda wapi? Ni kumaanisha wizi usio kitili ndio unaendelea katika gatuzi zetu. Na tumesema hivi, tunawaalika wa Kenya ambaye ni wazalendo wenzetu kwamba tuwachukumishe ama tuwasukume wale ambao tumewapatia uongozi kwa ajili ya kutumia rasilimali zetu ambazo zimetoka katika mifuko zetu, sio pesa zao, wazitumie bila ambavyo ipasavyo. Na kama hawawezi, basi wapewe nyachifa ya kwenda kupumzika, especially wakati huu ambapo tunaenda katika uchaguzi.
We as health workers, we also have a duty to ensure that Kenyans are treated by health workers who are adequate and who are motivated enough to be able to see them and to provide the quality of health care.
The weight of delivering quality healthcare services to the citizens of Kenya is too heavy for the country government to bear. And I think it is time they come out and declare that they are not able to manage healthcare services, so that then the health services can be transferred back to the national government. And as we stand here today, our clarion call, because our members are suffering, the public is suffering, our clarion call is to revert back the health care to the national government as soon as possible.
Na togos kama tu mwancho mwele bono umuwaziri wa wizara ya bochenu imensi ya Kenya Dendware wetirese umukatabo w'ishiringi $10 billion ne kiumbe kiria gya Beginnings Fund eryo gusira bochenu asabana amona basubati kubatirana okwe nigo koro iregeka kimyaka 5 nigo kora ne kienga ngokore ngwikira nikira bochenu asaba subati bebwetanetio eryo gokyania buna goseko Kenya magimabo ekero gyokuibora okubatirana okwe nigo no igokora akonye gwika kinya gitari chimyebere imeyechi county 21
The amount of money we spend on retreats and workshops, if they're used to buy basic equipments that can help mothers deliver safe and secure in a health facility, what it means. That's why I am very much interested in the financing framework and the funds flow and the implementation metrics. And I'm not only saying here, I have said this even when we signed with the USG government, and the government of the US agreed with me. We can do these good documents. The workshops produce good documents. Yes. But the workshops can be done, and I am ready to forfeit my boardroom at 7th floor in MOH. It's the biggest boardroom, I think. Am I right? You can use my boardroom. From morning, we can ask people to bring food, you know? And we do good, and we have done the good documents in that boardroom. We are doing the health summit, and we are doing all the meetings in there, in MOH. So please let us make sure we invest in tangible, we invest in blood, we invest in accessible blood, we invest in referral system, we invest in commodities, we invest in healthcare personnel to make sure no mother or child.
Togos kamuntu mwancho mwele bono nigo abakolie emerimo gusabaro kibichi university amochirie getambukiro igiye kiombe kyo bakoreri bw'abakoli emerimo imensi ya Kenya PSC gokianie myaka yabo yo gucheritaya kure myaka 52 gwike myaka 50 asebate buna eke hose nigo kirema mincha yeri chiko kiagara mbawaterantibwe ase amonchireri yo asebate no ingo bayene kirimune getambukiro kyo nigo kirere chi university nyinge gotigwa n'ababwatani gusabaro kia abatabwati omanyi boisaine asebano bagania serikali amo ne wizara y'ikisemi imensi ya Kenya wasona gatia na gorusioro igitambukirekyo.
Lowers the retirement age of professors from 74 years to 70 years, and that of senior lecturers and other academic staff from 74 years to 64 years and below. This policy will trigger mass layoffs of academic staff with devastating consequences.
I mean, where are we going as a country? We want to kill the education sector. There are programs that cannot peak. We have programs that actually have only two professors remaining, 2 lecturers remaining in a particular program. How will you launch a program with 2 professors? Now, both of them will retire. Are we saying we're going to close these universities? Government must take action.
All these people here are PhD holders. They can tell you how long they have taken to get their PhDs. So for you to move from one grade to the next, you might even take 20 years. So we call upon Public Service Commission to get back into their books and understand how university systems work.
Kabutuka jide kai komi na inya igore chinsa ikomi chiabono marago babuno gwe kero mwario wa mangana maya senchira yobungi kirete sendikio kya bene gen Soko TV kondi ntarakora tetengo tambukie ya masa ya mwika sense merie chigosori nende mengo komanyanga ali tukulia lero maragoba gutakira chinsa isano chabutuko tariki chisatu ega chumutinyo gatano gatatu nigo naende etimu ya ito yense ya Kenya y'abasubati Harambee Starlets bawuchigoswageti asegosori yabo ya gatatu neyo mwelio kegima ase group stages chechigosori cy'abasubati cha rugongo rwa Africa ngima wose WAFCON echo chigendrete ime ya Rabat enseria ya Morocco wekera bonega nigo Starlets babereko babusiria chigosori cyabo chonsi sato chiko ibere chiko bwatanya ase bono babegeto mu kiago sembe chiko begosori yabo ya gatatu yagosori ntangani nigo etimu ya ito ya Starlets bakuru chigorinye asigana risagero ne etimu yense ya Morocco bari abargani ebimina ebyo nabo yagosori ya kabiri bagayikurwa egori ye masigana risagero ne etimu yense ya Senegal egose Lionesses of Teranga litkero ne bawchisa na Desert Scorpions hibense ya Algeria chinsa isano chabutuko asebono babegeto nyamasi gabo ko bwegosori yejo elibamente komenta motumaini yabo yogucha kwenda guche sense meria ye chikwata final onye nanye nigo bona Harambee Starlets banyigirete timu ya Morocco kunyikora Senegal na baro banye kunyikora timu ya Algeria eliyo na chireti gichigo chisege tambokero kende gikobwatya korende onye timu ye gigo chimakari gosikigo chigo ikorwa nabo igo timu ya Senegal amo na Morocco chimakari abasobate beito Harambee Starlets insemo kocha Belino Demba nigo bara chikoimukia ebirago byabo nabo igo chigurube cyabo na bagine ndege gocha imeyense ya Kenya na wekyo mwelio wa mina nebyo bigendrete imeyense ya Morocco onye nigo hegeteseni gen Soko TV morogo walero tukende basubati baito bakorawo no captain Mwana Alima Adam Jericho Dogo obwi asegosori ikati yabo ne timu yenseria ya Algeria amangana maya senchera yo bwenga morogo bonega aikiro mwelio mega yemenyoncho migo twabwata Kelvin Magoyi na bigo ya masa ya Mofelistas Kabendi bayana kiringa chibi chamo na Mariogi agoikere asenchaire ya bene na semo yemyererio nigo twabwate Salome Ekemuntu inero ene kyanga ngonya nyorole asenchaire ya imanyererio Daniel Omwaga na Lidia Tariane omorogoba omotweleru